Good morning children and dear parents. Welcome to Standard 3 English Language class. Today I am going to teach you chapter 23 from your Active English book. Now children, before we start this chapter, I am going to show you few words and you need to say it out loud with me. But, that, so, and the last word is until. Now children, do you find any similarity between these words or any connection in these words? Yes, these words are known as conjunctions. What are conjunctions? Conjunctions are words that join two sentences together. So today we are going to see few questions related to the conjunction or the word until. Let's start. On the board I have written few examples. Let's see those examples. Rewrite the sentences using until. Now here we are going to change this sentence using until. He saw his sister when she came home from school. Answer will be he did not see his sister until she came home from school. Now children, how did we change this sentence using until? First we'll start with did not, and then in between we are going to use until. He did not see his sister until she came home from school. Number 2 or B. She got off the bus when it stopped. Now what will be the answer? She, again we'll use did not. Now got will become get off the bus until it stopped. C. He put down his pen when he finished writing. Let's change this or rewrite this sentence using until. He did not put down his pen until he finished writing. And last question, they reached home when it was dark. The answer will be they did not reach home until it was dark. Now children, few points you need to remember when we are rewriting the sentence using until. We'll start the sentence using did not, and here in the question when will change into until. As you can see, let's repeat one more time. He saw his sister when she came home from school. So answer will start with he did not see his sister. Saw became see. until. Here when will change until she came home from school. So children, remember we use until to say how long a situation continues up to a certain time. Let's move on to our second question. Let's see what is our second question. Join the sentences using than. Now here we have two different sentences. We need to join them using the word than. Let's see children. Tina is thin. Tani is very thin. Now to change and to join these sentences using than, first we are going to write Tani is thinner than Tina. Now children, how did we change? First of all, who is more thinner? Tani. So here the adjective thin, we are going to change the degree of this adjective thin. So thin will become thinner, comparative degree. So Tani is thinner than Tina. Moving on to the second question. Radha is careful. Anu is very careful. Now let's change or join the sentence. We'll start with Anu. Who is more careful? Anu. So Anu is more careful. We don't say very careful. The comparative degree of careful will be more careful than Radha. Let's see one more example. Jane is happy. Maya is very happy. Who's very happy? Maya. Maya is more happy than Jane. So, and we'll change the adjective happy to comparative degree. That will become happier. So, Maya is happier than Jane. So this was our second question. Join the sentences using than. Remember children, you need to compare first. For example, Tina is thin, Tani is very thin. So let's compare who is more thin. So Tani. So Tani is thinner than Tina. Moving on to our last question. Let's see our last question. Join the sentences in two ways. First, use after, then use before. Now here we are going to use after and before as a conjunction to join two sentences. Now first let's start. Let's join the sentence using after. First question. The traffic light turned green. Full stop. She crossed the road. There are two sentences children. Let's join the first sentence using after. Now whenever we use after as a conjunction, we'll start the sentence with after. After the traffic light turned green. Now here there's the full stop. We remove the full stop and instead of that we'll put a comma. She crossed the road. So we used after to join two sentences. Now we shall use before. Now when we use before as a conjunction, simply we'll remove the full stop and add before in place of full stop. Let's start. The traffic light turned green crossed the road. Let's see one more example, children. The bus moved off. Mary crossed the road. Let's join the sentence using after. After the bus moved off, in place of full stop, comma, Mary crossed the road. And second, we'll use before. The bus moved off, in place of full stop, before Mary crossed the road. So children, we joined two sentences, first using after and second using before. These were few questions that we saw in chapter 23 of your Active English book. Based on these, book exercises will be uploaded on the school website. Kindly go through it and study well. Thank you.